Hello there, this is me, Človek Neznámy. Today, we're gonna show you how to do the clean installation of Fallout New Vegas. You need to unfortunately uninstall it. Right click, manage, uninstall. Now go to your disk, Steam apps, common, and you have the folder. So delete it, documents, my games, Fallout New Vegas, delete. Click on the Steam library setup, exe, download, click on it, allow, add a row, and create this path, accept, click on yes. Okay, now restart your PC, click on install, and you will have like the second drive. Click here, install, press play, options, and just click play.